Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add underline animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my document and I'm going to add underline animation to this text. Okay, I'm going to go to the animation and we're going to select the underline animation, this one. Okay, and you can customize the duration here, and let me increase the duration. Okay, and I'm going to play it to show you how the animation looks like. Okay, it's like this, and then I'm going to show you the second method to create underline animation. I'm going to go to my second slide and then I'm going to create underline. I'm going to go to insert and then insert line like this. I'm going to draw line and I'm going to make it thicker. Alright, and then I'm going to add animation to the underline. I'm going to choose this wipe animation and then I'm going to increase the duration. Okay, and let me play it. Okay, it will look like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create underline animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.